India signed a $3 billion deal on Monday to buy liquefied natural gas from the United Arab Emirates, making it the UAE's top consumer as leader of both countries held talks to strengthen trade and defense ties. The agreement was signed during a very short 2-hour visit to India by UAE President Sheikh Mohammed bin Zayed Al Nahyan for talk with Indian Prime Minister. The agreement was signed during a very brief 2-hour visit to India by UAE President Sheikh Mohammed bin Zayed for talks with Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi. They pledged to double bilateral trade to $200 billion in 6 years and to form a strategic defense partnership. ADNOC Gas said the agreement brings the total value of its contract with India to over $20 billion. India is now the UAE's largest customer and a very important part of ADNOC Gas. The UAE is India's third largest trading partner, and Sheikh Mohammed was accompanied by a government delegation that included his defense and foreign minister. The two sides signed a letter of intent to work toward forming a strategic defense partnership, India's Foreign Secretary Vikram Misri told the reporters. We report news now.